Okay, ari na ta sa deprivation of needs. Kung naga ni ma-deprive nga needs, syempre naa po na siya equivalent pathology. So for example, the lack of physiological needs leads to a pathology called malnutrition, lack of energy, obsession with sex. Nanapin mo na sex dira. Pero physiological meaning that's bodily. And part of the bodily needs are sex, according to Maslow sa mga psychologists. And so, mahimo na siyang drive to obsession with sex. Next is the safety needs. Kung makulangan gani og safety needs ang usa ka tawo, it will lead to pathologies such as fear, insecurity, and dread. Do you have them? Kung naa gani kay kahadlok, kung you feel insecure and dread, that is because you lack the need of safety. Insecurity, dagan ka ini karon, mag-browse ra kag Facebook, mapalit ra kag insecure. Mao na siya lagmit mga findings, mga researches nga Facebook as the, what is this? The often culprit of insecurity of many millennials. So kung na-feel ganin yung mga insecure ka because of what other people have attained, so you lack safety needs. Next, esteem needs. Lack of esteem needs lead to self-doubt, self-depreciation, and lack of self-confidence. Kung wala ganin mo anang esteem needs, self-doubt dayon mo, self-depreciate dayon mo, and lack of self-confidence. And tingali, kung naa mo ana, kabalo na mo kung sa'yo nakulang ninyo. You lack esteem needs. And next, the actualization needs. Kung kulang gani actualization needs ang usa ka tawo, they will tend to lack values, sense of fulfillment, and meaning of life. Do you have values? Kung wala, maybe you fail to attend your actualization needs. Kung you still feel that you are not fulfilled, mura kag kulang sige, mura kag di mahimutang, you are still not actualized. Or maybe you find your life no longer meaningful. And kung mo ingon gani tag meaning of life, kung mawad-an ganig meaning ang kinabuhi sa usa ka tawo, that often leads to suicide. Kadaghanang naghikog because people no longer find meaning in their lives. That's according to Viktor Frankl, for example. So, actualization is, kung wala gani kahulugan na imong kinabuhi, wala ni mo nakita ang meaning sa imong kinabuhi, that means that your actualization needs are not attained. This, according to Maslow also, there are instinctoid nature of our needs. The instinctoid nature of needs means that some human needs are innately determined, even though they can be modified by learning. Instinctoid needs gani, kito na mga needs nato, ang nature gani niya, mao na siya ang needs nga innate na nato daan, embedded sa atong pagkatao, but which can be modified by learning. Kaon, for example, na siya. So, instinctoid nature na siya, meaning embedded sa atong human instinct, mga classes sa needs. And, in addition, instinctoid needs versus non-instinctoid needs for Maslow. Kung may ka instinctoid gani, it produces pathology if left unmet. Kung dili ganin mo na siya ma-met, naay pathology nga equivalent. Non-instinctoid, on the other hand, does not produce pathology. Next is that it is persistent and produces psychological health if satisfied. Na kung masatisfied na siya, makahimo na siya og psychological health. On the other hand, non-instinctoid are those which are just temporary, not a prerequisite for health. psychological health in particular. Species, then, kung maingani ka instinctoid needs, they are species specific. Only human need, for example, only human person has actualization need. So, kung may ka species specific, nga, ang species ng mga iro, lahi dyan na siya og need sa mga tao. And for example, ang species sa mga isda, lahi po na sila needs sa tao. So, on the other hand, non-instinctoid needs are not. They are not species specific. Although in some sense, but it is more of the instinctoid needs nga species specific na siya. Next, the instinctoid needs are difficult to change, but can be molded, inhibited, or altered by environmental influences. So, man na siya instinctoid needs. Nga, lisod siya, bag-ohon. Pero pwede siya ma-mold, pwede siya ma-inhibit, pwede siya ma-ilisdan, pwede siya ma-affected by environmental influences. On the other hand, instinctoid needs are not. Next. Comparison of higher and lower needs. Kung may higher needs, or the higher needs are sort of difference of degree and not of kind. Muna siya kung may ka nga kini siya comparison pag compare na to sa lower and higher. Kung may ka higher needs, they are later in phylogenetic or evolutionary scale and specifically in the course of human development. Nga later na siya naabot. For example, in the human evolution of Charles Darwin, wala pa rin siya sa una. Kung may higher needs, wala na siya sa time pa nga, maybe, ibutang na to nga, pre-human, pre-homo sapiens era, wala pa rin siya nga higher needs. And in the human development, wala pa na siya kaayo, dili pa kayo siya made manifest kung bata pa kayo. Only later in the phylogenetic and the human development scale. And lower needs, on the other hand, they are present in the lower beings in the evolution and in those before a person is in a higher stage of development. Kung may ka lower needs, kito nang bisag bata pa siya, na siya ana nga klase nga needs. And on the other hand, another comparison of higher and lower in the stage difference of prerequisition, ang higher needs produce more happiness and peak experiences. Ang lower needs only hedonistic. Kung may ka hedonistic, kanagong gulpihan nga kalipay niya, di na ka malipay sunod. That's hedonistic. So, muna siya ang comparison of higher and lower needs. Lower needs in this side and higher needs in this other side.